Hello everyone, we're going to do some titles in Premiere Pro, so let's go. First, open into your Premiere Pro project. As you can see, I'm in my Premiere Pro project. You can go to the graphics tab up here, or you can go into any tab that you like and scroll down to Essential Graphics. Here, this is where we're going to be editing our text in the edit. So first, you want to do Control or Command T to bring up a new text layer. You can scale this or size this down however you want it. Then you can double click on it to edit your text. So I'll just put my name. And then over here in our edit tab, as you can see, we have a lot of options. So I'm just going to cover just the basics. First, you can change your font. So, you can do something like ailerons, which is really popular. You can change your style. So usually there's like bold or whatever. Here you can bold it, you can italicize it, or you can change the paragraph. Then you have kerning, which separates the letters, and you also have scale. Okay guys, that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to catch you in the next one.